Hi, I'm Bea. I work on Clara. Here are 6 tips to get the most out of it. 5 you do once, and the 6th is a habit. And actually, it's the one that improves Clara over time. First, pick how long your phone rings before Clara picks up. Enough to grab the calls you can, not so many that the caller gives up first. Most people start with a few rings and adjust once they see how it feels. Then, your welcome message. This is what callers hear first, and it's not a voicemail. Lead with your business name, keep it to one sentence, and end it with a question. Then Clara actually talks with them. Tell Clara what your business specializes in, and just as importantly, what you don't offer. The more Clara knows about how you work, the more accurately it answers. And the less it promises something you never take on. Define what questions it should always ask. Because Clara's having a real conversation, it can ask what actually matters to you. Is it urgent? What's the job? When do they need it? Create your own questions so every call comes back ready to action. Turn on follow-up texts. Clara can text every caller the moment the call ends. A booking link, a payment link, a thank you, or your own message. You set it up once and it's done. And here is the 6th. This one isn't a setting, it's a habit. You can read your summaries to identify your unanswered questions. Then you can tweak your welcome message, questions, and additional instructions. A few minutes now and then, and Clara sharpens with every call. Do those 6 things and you're set. Full guide on the website below.